Hey, I just wanted to show you guys a new wig that I have in my Etsy shop. It's not technically a full wig, it's a half wig. It's like a half cap, and it's almost like extensions. So this part is my hair, so you have to have this section as you have to have hair here to be able to use this wig. This is mine. I have a little bit, so that's okay. The rest is just like a hat of a wig. I'll show you, and it's so easy to put on and take off. Great for summer because it's off my face as well. Sometimes with my wigs, with the fringe and everything, I get a bit in summer. So this is quite a good summer alternative. So I'll show you. It's really quick to put on and take off. There you can see. That's where it starts. So it's got a really good clip on it that really will not come off. If someone tries to pull my wig off, my head will come with it. So here we go, look. This is all you need to have, really. So this is the rest of my hair. I've just done this nicely. And then you've got your wig here, brown down to blonde. It's long, and it's just a clip here and a clip here. Really simple, and it's just like a skull cap. It's a half wig. See the rest, you're missing a chunk here. So literally it's like this. Top on, tuck the rest of the hair in, push the clip at the back into your hair, and that's it. Now you just need to cover this line, if you can see. This just hair goes back. So, boom. You'd never know. I feel like I'm going to wear this a lot in summer. Because sometimes, as well, when I'm with my girls, they're so little, I'm bending down a lot. And in the summer, if you're getting sweaty here, and I've not been putting my wig tabs really tight because I get migraines. And sometimes it can aggravate that. So I have my wig really loose anyway. And when I'm bending down to my girls and blah, 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 are you okay? You want a banana? All my wigs come in, and more and more and more. And sometimes it's just uncomfortable. So this is a great alternative, but still long and like sexy. So